Change the X password. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to change your X password. The former Twitter. Like these kinds of videos on the channel? Seen other related videos? Subscribe, like, I'm always making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. To change your password, type x.com in the search bar. It's X's official site, formerly Twitter. It'll show three options: sign up with Google, Apple, or create an account. We don't want any of those three. Scroll down a bit and you'll see it. Log in. You have an account but forgot the password, so click on Log In here. It'll ask for your phone, email, or username registered to the account. So, I'll enter my username here and click below to continue. Now it's asking for my password. I have no clue what the password is. It's been ages since I used it. I'm going to click here, folks. Forgot your password? I'll click on this option below. It asks for your email, phone number, or username. I've entered my username. Now I'll click below to proceed. Enter the email linked to this account here. It must be the email used for this account, not any other. Then click below to continue. Now it's asking for my cell phone number. I'll enter my number and click below to move forward. Now finally, you'll choose an option. It'll send a confirmation code to your registered email or phone. You'll pick one of these options. If your info doesn't show up, like a different email or unfamiliar phone number, if none of this looks right, you can contact WEX support by clicking this option. In my case, I'll choose email and click next. Now a code will be sent to my email. It could also be sent to your phone. Just wait for the code to arrive. It's here already, folks. My code has arrived and it's down here. What do you do next? Select the code, right-click, and choose Copy. Then paste the copied code in this field. How do I paste it? Right-click and select Paste. After pasting the code, click Next. Now, folks, it'll ask you to enter a new password. It prompts you to create a new login password. So, you can enter a new password here. It must be at least 8 characters and strong. Okay, folks? Include numbers, letters, and punctuation. Enter a new password, confirm it, then click below to change it. Now it asks why you changed the password. In my case, I forgot it. If there was suspicious activity, choose that option. For other reasons, pick this one. Click Next. All done, folks. The password has been changed. Now just continue on X by clicking this option. Got it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'll wrap up here. Take care and God bless. Thanks.